Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any week having a Hyundai Tucson guys, practically any generation Hyundai Tucson. If you have check engine light on and any of the following four codes, I'm talking about code P0351 P0352 P0353 or P0354, stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that and how to fix it. Now make sure to stay until the end because it actually could be up to 3 things that can cause that code. And in some cases it may be actually free to fix it as well. So that actually guys may work on multiple generation Hyundai Tucson. Even if you have a different engine, it may still work. We'll be demonstrating on a 2.4 GDI engine, but many of the things will actually apply to multiple engines and multiple years Hyundai Tucson. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to take them completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So this is guys the 2.4 GDI engine that we'll be demonstrating on, but even if you have a different engine, the procedure may work as well. Now, in order to get to the components that can cause any of these codes, 351 to 354, we need to remove the upper engine cover. So how you do that? It usually has 4 rubber bushings that attach to the engine, so you grab it firmly and you pull it up. Okay, and it's important guys to make sure that all the rubber bushings are still attached to the cover. If they're not, they may be attached right here to those posts, and you need to guys actually remove them manually, install them on the cover, so later you can install the cover, otherwise you will not be able to. Now if you have any of these codes, what that can mean guys, it means that most likely you have problems with ignition coil. What is ignition coil? Ignition coil is the device that's on top of the spark plug that makes the spark plug spark. So you have 4 ignition coils. Looking at your engine guys, starting from the very left of the engine where the serpentine belt is, this is ignition coil on cylinder number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if you have code 351, it relates to this ignition coil. 352 relates to cylinder number 2. 353 cylinder number 3 and 354 is cylinder number 4. So things to look at guys, okay, you gotta make sure that the wiring harness is not broken or hidden. Sometimes guys, mice, rodents can hide here, especially winter time when it's warm, and they chew on the wires. We had that happen before. Another thing that can cause that guys, make sure that this safety pin right here is pushed in like that, because if it's loose, your wire may come loose. Okay, make sure that it's plugged all the way in, because if it's not communicating, it can actually give you that code. And number 3, it could be a bad ignition coil. All we have to do left, just remove the bolt, okay, and grab the ignition coil and remove it. Now if you guys want to see where you can get ignition coil from, and if you have engine oil on the ignition coil or the spark plug hole, we have a special video that explains why you may have engine oil, okay, in the spark plug hole. So that's the top 3 things that can cause guys any of these codes. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.